My name is Mary Tolosa. I'm 21 years old, and I'm an incoming senior industrial design student at Academy of Art University in San Francisco. Just a little bit about myself. I was born in the Philippines and raised in Daly City, California. I come from a family filled with various artists, designers, architects, and mechanics. I grew up learning how to solve problems and developed a keen eye for design. This creative environment is what led me to study industrial design at AAU. Besides design, I enjoy live music, learning something new at a makerspace such as Tech Shop, and just being outside. Over the years in design school, I've come to really appreciate new materials that are being discovered out there. I could spend hours and hours on material connections on the web just reading about newly discovered materials and what their applications are. Every year, I grow as a design student, and now that I'm moving on to my senior year, I've learned that I want to pursue soft goods design, whether it's bags, footwear, or equipment design. But not only that, I'm also really interested in furniture design. I'm interested in those two fields because they have that common line of a simple interaction without the use of electronics between the user and the product. That first initial contact between the user's touch and the product's surface is special. That is where colors, materials, and finishes play a crucial role in the design process. I think this masterclass is a great opportunity for me because it will challenge me by forcing me out of my comfort zone, help me grow as a design student, and most importantly, really teach me the ways of being a color and material designer by expanding my knowledge in that field. Now, on to my process. Like all projects, my first step is research. I did a bit of background research on Vibram and what their company is all about. I was intrigued by their furoshiki wrap shoes and how innovative they were. I decided to use that as a stepping stone into creating my initial mood board. Here are my initial inspirational images to figure out what my subject was for the final. I did research on some trends, current trends, and what the future trends were. I decided to focus on a futuristic space theme that used 3D structural knit as the main material for the shoe. Knit is an advancing material used in footwear and continues to grow with the use of different technologies, yarns, and techniques. This image is a mind map of my inspiration for the material. Again, the words knit, 3D surfaces, landscapes, and structure come up. The next mind map has to do with my color choice. I also grabbed my Pantone set and tried to figure out which colors went together. I ended up with an earthy, neutral, and calm colorway that was inspired by Mars' beautiful terrain. The next few pages are quick layout ideations for the final mood board and notes regarding the color choices. This next page was a brainstorm page for the mood board name. I wanted the name to be related to space but also describe the overall mood of the board. I ended up choosing Spatial Wave. This last process page shows some of many iterations for the final layout process, including images chosen, colorway, text layout, and every little detail counts. My final mood board is called Spatial Wave. I was inspired by space and the advancing technology of 3D structural knit used in activewear. This palette is the take on future athleisure wear, a more futuristic look. The rocky surface yet organic landscape of Mars creates the perfect contrast with soft yet structural 3D knits. The color of Mars, red, and the deep blue create a sense of balance and tranquility. By attending this class, I know I will be more confident not only as a design student but also as a person. I will prove to myself that I am a talented person and that I'm so lucky to be able to work in the field that I've been passionate about my whole life. Thank you so much for your time and this opportunity. I hope to see you guys in Portland.